Alright, I'm back. I just had to restart this video because I just started it and didn't speak for any time because I was talking to the mentorship students, bro. But that's a bell. Not really sure like exactly what I want for price, to be completely honest. I've already taken like a sexy win today. If I can show it. Already taken a fat win on the funded. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, took a nice win on the funded today. But that's besides the point. This is today's recap. Is this? I want to know where this daily gap's sitting. Oh wow, gold's delivering out of the hourly. Didn't even realize that. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Feel good. Gonna make you feel. So yeah, I might play defensive today. I don't think I'm actually gonna trade this funded. I might actually just log out quickly. Look, made 700 on the funded already, not LARPing. I've had enough of these people saying. Oh wait, let me log in. Let me log in, bro. Trump's on smoke as well. So like I'm not extremely keen to be trading my main fundeds. I have like, wouldn't really call them throwaway fundeds, but I have like, you could call them, I have like Apex PAs that I took payouts from a while ago and just have not even. Oh my gosh, bro, lock in, dude. We didn't hit that daily gap. Did we hit that daily gap one? Nah. We've hit nothing. We've not really hit. Wait, what? No. We haven't hit anything of worth necessarily. We have a hella data wicks down here. I think this short's gonna print, but like, I'm not getting involved. I'm still trying to log into this shit. It takes me for a ride each time. It takes me for a ride each time. Okay, bit of a like a late start, but oh wait. Alright, SMT into that. Into nothing actually. Silver, I'm waiting to see what it wants to do. Wait. I don't have a candle, bro. This is not what you need. You need to be printing candles every time. Yes. That's like the perfect IFG pattern trader's dream. Perfect pattern trader's dream. This daily gap is so far away. I took a long down here. Like down here. it might have been lower than this. Oh my gosh. I was trying to run up to Asia High. Not break even, stopped in profit. How are these accounts? I haven't looked at these accounts in ages. Damn, boy. Can I still trade? I don't even know. I'm literally missing candles. I'm missing candles, bruv. What is this? I'm missing candles. Is that PM high? Or AM high? Lunch high? Bullshit ass. But yeah, because of that consistency rule on that alpha account, I'm literally gonna have to restart this again. But because of that consistency rule on that alpha account, I'm not really keen to trade. I just need 2 more $600 winning days and it's another payout. What the? Wait, is it? I don't even know if it is. Holy chop. Holy chop, holy chop, holy chop. There's news at 10 AM today, by the way. So, like, this is what the docket's saying. Probably gonna have to wait till that 10 AM anyway. It takes me for a ride each time you slide. It takes me Man, this is actually just cooked. There's nothing going on. Like, I'm literally just understimulated by this chart. This is so boring. Is this what profitable trading looks like? Bro, like, oh my gosh. I didn't even. Where's my phone? Son. 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 There's nothing. Why am I missing more candles, bro? Oh my gosh. This shit does not want to load my candles, bro. You're not loading my candles, buddy. Why are you not loading my candles? Oh my gosh, I've literally had to restart this shit about 4 or 5 times now because it's not showing candles. It's bullshit. Building up a lot of LR here though. Me like it. Me like it. This guy's so thirsty, bro. Bro, we have an unfold 4-hour down here, us. Why didn't we draw onto that? Because we have SMT. You idiots. Which one has highest balance? I'm full porting these shit. I'm full porting these accounts. These are the old Apexes, by the way. So I will be full porting them because like they need to be blown. They need to be blown, brother. Brother. Holy Allah. Load resistance liquidity is being engineered right below this. Bro, there's literally like, oh, this big ass. Boy, so many people probably got caught out on this short. I bet you so many people got caught out on this short, bro. So many droids got caught out on this short. IFG pattern traders. There's no way we just swept that lunch high and we're reversing off that. It has to be like a big. There's not even a fat alley there, bro. Alright, what news has come out, bro? I'm still sitting on my hands, bro. I say nothing. Boy. 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 Sweep that daily effigy. Sweep that daily effigy. But like this daily range, bro. This daily range. Oh, half isn't the daily range here. I mean, still needs to go higher for the rebalance. But is this even a market maker model? I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. This is not a clean market maker model, if anything, bro. This is like also the last day of the month, FYI. Oh my gosh. Your month, we're literally delivering out of a monthly FEG. Okay. Alright, what the flippity dip just happened there? Huge, huge, huge. SMT into that FEG. I don't even like shorts of this, so bro, like, I mean, like mechanically it's good, but I don't know, bro. I just don't like it, dude. I just don't like it, man. NQ looks like it's drawing towards it as well. And based off this close there, me no like it. Wow. Wow. This 15 doesn't have a bottom wick, which is like very sexy in my opinion. Very toey, very toey. We have like some bullshit equal highs, I can't lie. Yo, I can't. Alright, what was that? That has to be news or something on gold. Gold just had a massive like. This is like a pattern trader's dream, but like. I know this shit just looks way too obvious. I cannot say a fucking. I cannot say a thing. You can dance if you want to, if you're in that frame of mind. And if you can dance, and if you want to dance, and you. Yeah, like that push up was way too. Bruh. Why does gold launching? 5-minute inversion after tapping. Bro, if we got a race sweep of that gap. Damn, we didn't even race sweep that early. That sucks. We have to have formed like a. There's a 2-minute here that you would need to wait for. This shit just doesn't look good, bro. So equal lows. Yep. Bro, the LR gold has on like the higher time frame is just so sexy, bro. I think I still personally think we need to see a better rebalance of this shit. Like if I'm gonna keep it a buck. Bro, these guys sold me fake Zins. Like, I'm actually gonna slide them out. Okay, bro. Bro, the silver shorts were literally something of dreams, bro. There's a dream. Like now that NQ's so close to this daily, I think it might want to take it. Son! Every single pair is moving in like parallel. Not yeah, they're literally moving in parallel in terms of gold, silver, gold, silver, and Q and AS, which tells me it's not necessarily driven that much by sort of technicals and algos. It's sort of just driven by news releases, which is like, don't want to take part in this. I'm not taking a trade anyway because we have news in 2 minutes. I do believe we just tapped a 5-minute on AS. Edge that shit, low key. But there is a 1-minute on AS which is invalid because NQ hasn't inversed. There's also an equal high with an actual swing high, which I would not want to be trading against. So this IFEG may look good, but it's not, in my opinion. I mean, if it plays out, it plays out, but it's just not good in my opinion. Hopefully, none of the students would have taken this shit. Bro, a student saying this 30-second. There was a nice 30-second IFG. I bet he said he couldn't enter. Okay, well that news just dropped. I assume he's talking about this one, or all of them. Okay, so there's probably been, bruh, if this shit prints, I swear down, bro. Hmm. 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 I want to say raise hope of this high before we target these lows, bro. There's an unfilled nothing. There's an unfilled 5. There's a huge unfilled 5, which probably does need to be rebalanced. I really would like a raise sweep of this high, bro. Oh my gosh, where's my shit? Alright, we just swept that Asia high. It's not many 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. That is a nice. Did it close? Did not close. IFEG did not close. I'm looking here on this 30-second. This IFEG did not close. I can't trade MGC on. Wait, I think I can trade MGC. Wait, I can't even trade gold on Apex. Bruh. Bullshit ass. Wait, let me see if I can. Will it let me enter on gold? Bitch ass. Bitch ass boy. Bitch ass boy. This shit's going off flush. This shit's going off flush. This shit's finna flush, nigga. Versus 1 minute and you're good to go. Bruh, there's no way this short on NQ and AS printed. This low-key looks very good, but I don't even know how you'd be able to squeeze like any risk to reward out of it. Entry's like hella light. This is a nice position, like I just don't really see the risk to reward in it because you're literally just taking a trade based off an entry model and your draw's just a bit lackluster. It's a negative risk to reward, so I'm just not taking it. I don't even believe too much in this position anyway. But we have equal lows there. I don't know why this gap's marked out. We have equal lows with a 5-minute gap, so this should just rebalance immediately based on seeing that close. But let's see if we start respecting these. Unless we're just going to flush. Where's this 5? It should be done here. NQ probably would have been the better trade to take this. I mean, pair to take this on. But like, you're barely getting a 1-to-1 out of it, so it's just not necessarily good to even take. Let's see if it plays out. It really wants to. It really wants to tag this. After seeing this close, it has to come down. I know a lot of people have probably have taken this short and are in this short currently. Would you even be able to squeeze a 1-to-1 out of it? Let's see. Like, you would be break even. It would probably be a break even trade. But I mean, you could have targeted. Sorry, you could target this 0.5 for the range for like a flat 1-to-1. But like, I just say price isn't engineered in the favor of a good trade. You know what I mean? Bro, this gold trade. This flipping gold trade, bro. If only this shit let me enter, cuz. Over here. I can't even trade gold on flipping Apex, bro. But like, I should probably close that then. Bro, don't. Okay, switch 10 QNES. Thank you. Cheers, ball. We do have a data week up here. I mean, I don't even know. What did I say? Price is clearly not engineered for this trade to have provided you a good outcome. So why would you take it? You would have just been break even. Like, clearly price isn't engineered for this. All it delivered was this. I'm not wasting time on taking a trade that will obviously just break even there. Alright, boys, probably. I mean, there was a trade here, but it would have resulted in a break even. I just don't really think these conditions are high probability. 5-minute gap. There's no 5-minute gap. Was there a 5-minute gap here? No. What the? Well, I mean, a student took a dub, bro. My gosh, bro, what are we doing? 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 There's literally jack shit. There is nothing for me to try to do. You can dance if you want to. If you're Alright, this 1 minute IVG here. This 1 minute IVG right here, ladies and gentlemen, is low probability, but I do think it will probably print. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think this might actually print. I just don't even want to take this shit, bro. Wait, is there a 5 here? Yeah, there's a 5. Hold on a second. There's literally a protected high being a daily gap right there, bro. And like I said, you're literally just begging for risk reward. You're begging for risk reward right there. Doesn't make sense. We have another high that has internal SMT. Nice. I'm getting off. I'm getting off this shit chart. I can't lie. Yeah, this 5 minute IVG probably will play out, but it's just like, bruh, I'm not even getting. There's just internal SMT. You're targeting a protected high. If you want to take shorts, you're targeting a protected low. I can't trade gold at all. Nothing to really trade, to be completely honest, on any of these pairs. Yeah, I'm getting off. I've already taken a good win today. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess.